I'm here at Bryce Canyon doing a very popular trail today, and it is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Yep, thanks, Agron. Good morning. It's another glorious day here in Utah. It is so bright right now. It was not like that maybe 10 minutes ago. I swear it was a full-on snowstorm. We got so much snow and it's already melting. It's like practically gone. But what a pleasant surprise to wake up to and watch the snowfall. And I mean, there's some big snowflakes. So happy, so happy. I don't know if I'm gonna stay here another night or if I'm going to start working my way north. That's something I'm gonna have to figure out. Today is Thursday, so if I leave later today, hopefully I can beat the weekend crowd, but we'll see. I really like this spot, but I'm running low on water, so. And I need a shower. Okie dokie. I stayed here for a couple of days, so I'm happy. I actually did what I said I would do. It is still flurrying, but the sun's kind of out. It snowed, and you can see it's starting to melt though. But I'm gonna go ahead and start making my way to my next camp. And hopefully find some Wi-Fi along the way so I can upload a video or 2 or 3 because I haven't had good Wi-Fi. I've had good internet, but I can't use my hotspot or my jetpack to do that. So on the road again. The coldest I've ever dumped the tanks and the wettest. I had a big old puddle and it's really cold outside. So I came to Utah to get warm. What the heck? It's not warm in Utah. No, it actually isn't too bad. It's just a cold front's coming. So I just dumped my tanks for free, basically. I got gas and I got some snacks and stuff like that to pay, because they like you to make a purchase. And so now I'm heading to my next camp spot, waiting for the map to pull up. My friends, I'm out of groceries. And I need to do laundry, and I want to go into town and buy a few things like more solar lights and so forth, so that I have more light at night and in the mornings. But I'm gonna go ahead and pack up everything. Sometimes I leave an item behind, but where I'm going is about 40 minutes north, and I'm not so sure that when I get up to town I'm gonna want to come 40 minutes back down. So we'll see. I packed up everything. This is a beautiful spot. This is the first time in a couple of days that I've been here where the sun has actually been out and you've been able to see this beautiful mountain range behind me. I'm here in Provo, Utah, and I think this is called Miners Canyon free camping area, and it's beautiful. The only downside, there are people pretty close, but far enough away that you can still feel pretty private, but close enough that you can hear generators on these RVs. And though I kind of just tone it out, I don't particularly want to hear that when I'm, you know, out in nature, but it's been okay. I think the biggest drawback to this place is the ATVs. I had one kid get about 20 feet away from my rig and just completely floor it, and that was really frustrating because it got the dog spiraled out of control, and we all were just like, what the heck? And it was just kids being kids, but that was pretty annoying. So I'm not sure that I'm gonna come back here, but this is an amazing spot. I've definitely enjoyed the last couple of days that I've been here, even though it's been rainy. This is the first day I've actually seen these mountains, and they're beautiful.